Today, I'm going to show you 4 quick ways to dramatically improve camera stabilization without a gimbal or Steadicam. Here we go. First up, I'm going to show you a baseline shot of me just walking normally with my camera. 0 stabilization. You can see there's a ton of wobble and it's practically unusable. Warp Stabilizer can't help this clip out. The first stabilizing trick is the camera cradle. Take your camera strap, wrap it around your lens to create a cradle and a top handle. Now, when you walk, the jitters and bumps will be absorbed by the cradle. Here's the result. Technique number 2, the tense camera strap. Shorten your camera strap as short as it will go and tense the strap around your neck. These 3 points of contact between your hands and neck will absorb bumps and jitters when paired with the ninja walk. Here's the result. Technique number 3, tripod legs. Set up your camera on a small travel tripod. Extend 2 forward and 1 leg back as wide as it will go. This is your shoulder mount. Now you have 3 points of contact and a much better center of gravity for your camera. Here's the result. The final trick, shooting in slow motion. If I'm in a pinch and want more stable shots, I will capture the motion in either 60 or 120 frames per second. All these extra frames allow Warp Stabilizer to do a much better job. Use your ninja walk, capture in slow-mo, then in post, stabilize the slow-mo footage. Nest it, and then speed it back up to 24 or 30 frames per second. You'll have that high shutter look, but at least your footage is usable. Practice these techniques on your next shoot and keep them in your tool belt of tricks. Be good, stay creative.